we here is a quick walkthrough of a code base behind investment portfolio tracker. Let us connect. Then we will also with the part. Right? Okay. Let's open a VS Code. So majorly we are having there is a at the project we are having the investment portfolio. Okay. So inside that we have script folder, style and the video features and all. And we have a dashboard.html for the Firebase.js. It is a for the authentication and the API keys are there inside it. Index.html is there for the landing page from where we will start, and login page is there. Okay, login and sign up page. The style is also there. This is the style the style dashboard sign up login. Okay, so let's deep dive into the project section. Okay, first of all, we will start the project with the index page. Okay, so let's go to the live view. Let's be like this. Okay. Okay. So this is a landing page which we are here. Okay. So this is a landing page. It is a login and the sign up. If you are the user, okay, we have not created an account, so you should go on the sign up. As I have created my on the landing page is the dark mode option. Okay. Let's go on the login section. Here also we have added dark mode. This is a we have stored it is in a local storage. Okay. So don't get confused. From here only the main project is started. Okay. So let's do it. Okay. So from this login page, we will directly log in into this. Okay. This is our portfolio. Press all you have to log out. Okay. Let's this our login page. And if you have not logged in, so sign up as a user. So here is a sign up page for that. Okay. Email, password, and user role we have to give. Okay. So let's go on the login as I have created. So this is our portfolio website. It's look like this. Okay. Everything are managed and styled very deeply. Okay. We have used so many technologies here. We will discuss more about that. So we will be okay. So here we will discuss about coding structure and what we have coded here. Okay. So don't get confused. Okay, so let's start with the sign up and the login page code. Okay, so how we have done the login and the sign up. Okay, so first of all, we will tell you about the sign up. Okay, so with the help of the Firebase integration, we have some specific structure to that. Okay, so here we have you as the create user with email and the password. From this, we can easily sign up. Okay. And how we have done the login. Okay, so for the login section, we have done with the sign in with the email and password. These are the some and refer to the documentation of a Firebase. We can easily get this name and all how we can use it. Okay. Then we have provided a user role and user role to it, how it is look like, and also the dark mode function we have implemented here with the adding add event listener, and this is the dark mode toggle we have used here, and it is directly set in the local storage if the page is got refreshed, so the dark mode will be not gone easily, it will be there. I'll refresh also like this. Check it. See, I am refreshing it again and again. It is a dark, and this is a spinner. I will tell that also. the code for this, and it is a bit useful function as it is a like a smaller tool, a smaller function, but more useful. Let's go to our dashboard. So we have integrated a Firebase store. Okay, then in the dashboard.js we have paged our asset from the Fire store. Okay, and then storing them in the real time and listen to the changes to the instantly updated the UI. Then we have CoinGecko, we have API integrated. So for a light price tracking, I use the CoinGecko API. When a user add a asset, okay, so the latest price fetched and stored. Okay, so here is our code add asset. Okay, in that we are giving the value. It is directly fetched up with the API. Okay, and that we have a spinner. So this is a spinner function which we have implemented. On refresh, there is a one loading game. So it is a spinner tool. Okay, then test the spinner is pulling out the data is not fetched. Then this is the main part we have added as for the data duplication. Okay, so as we are giving the bit point here. Okay, so if we are adding, so it is showing already as X is the valid asset because see here Bitcoin is already added. That's why the avoiding a duplication of the data. Okay, now we will go to the another feature. Okay, so here we have implemented a live prices of a coin gauge. Okay, so as you have seen how we have live based the data from this. Then we then we have .NET access. Okay. Then we have implemented the bar graph and the line chart using the section like as first of all we will give the data line graph. Okay. So we have given the data from this code. Okay. Gain loss and the current value. Okay. Then we have also the created element like a price, asset gain loss, this section. Okay. Then we have rendered the chart. We have given the data to the pie chart and the line, and it is visualizing here by using a chart yes. Okay. Then we have updated the portfolio, how much total invested and the current value. Here we can see here. Okay. And also we have added a feature like edit asset and delete. Okay. So here the edit asset is there. Okay. How we can edit? See, let's click on this. Here the quantity we can see is 2. Let's do it 1 and save it. So asset is updated. Let's see. Asset quantity is only 1. So this is the way we have edited the asset. In that we have saw the save button. So this is the code for the save. As we will give the command as 1, 2, 3, how much quantity we have to save. So it will be automatically saved. So on the command we are doing the save. So there is a one notification is coming. Is notification that feature also we have added. Okay. So we will discuss afterwards. First of all, let's go with the edit module. Okay. So when we have click on the edit, so here is the one cancel button. Okay. So if you don't feature, also this prevention of a click also the function help if we want to note it like authentication. It is like simple. We can also delete the asset. Okay, this is the function for the delete. This is the okay. So, asset is before it's built. Okay, this is the function for the replace prices. See, here is the refresh button is there. As many times it is a cryptocurrency page, and we have to refresh the price again and again. So we can also make a function after the set timeout the page will refresh, or we can also by clicking on that we can refresh it like this. So all the prices will be fetched. So see here something price is increased from last previous to now. Okay, now let's go to the another section. This is the render chart. Okay, so how we have given a data. Okay, and the line chart and the pie chart. Okay, so we have done the filter out the data also as check the if we are typing here. So see, filter is here. If we click on the bit, so all the related to bit is here. So it is a filter out we have done also. And this is some names which I can search on the directly on the here asset section, and it will be based. If we type in the lowercase, it will be paste, or we can also type in the uppercase. And let's go on the next feature is the dark mode. Okay, this is a function, and we have stored in the local storage directly. So here is a button dark mode C. While refreshing, also the dark mode is there. So we have directly stored there. Then also there is a one very useful feature. We are working with the data, so we should have also a data, right? So there is a one feature like export CVS. Okay, so we have kept this feature in the report section. Okay, here. Okay, when we click on the export CV, all the data related to what we can say, like this one, we have already been buy this crypto coin, so it will be shown. So these are all for the data we can directly use in the Excel sheet. Okay, so so we can see here. This is the code for the export CV. Okay, by the name, by all thing we have created here. I will share a GitHub link which you can directly from this page the coin list from the coin gauge. So this is the how we have paged the coin gauge. Get the API directly on the coin gauge. It does not require the API keys. Next function we can also show the filter and show suggestions. This is the code is in the dashboard page. There is the asset name. If we click on the Bitcoin there, so there some suggestion is came. So this suggestion we can use here, and this is directly coming from the CoinGecko API. How many there are the crypto coins? Everything they will suggest here. Now let's go to Another feature, portfolio loss. Okay, portfolio loss and the gain. So here, this we can see we have there invented and here gaining loss is there. Okay, so they are color changing nature. Okay, so if it is gain, so it will be the upper code we have shown this as we, while we are speaking on a total investment current value, there we are writing that only also we have given a very good styling. See, it is yes. This is a proper flow. Okay, in the comment section you can there is a feedback in this. So you can provide me the so I will put it on as it is a quick guide. So let us give me some feedback if you want some more features so we will add in the future. Okay, as I have learned only the basics right now. Okay, so we will in the future we will also implement some feature like two-factorization authentication, and also we will use a monthly, yearly, and the analytic reports, and also support a different currency conversation. Okay, like we have RS in the INR, dollar, etc. Every currency we will fetch the data. Then also we will use the infinite and the pagination, and we will add more pages to it to make it more attractive. And also we will come up with the how the we can buy and sell the stock directly. So we will not make a copyright of that, but we will implement something like that only, but in the more advanced level. Okay, and we will use some AI chat also. Should we buy the stock and all because AI is playing an very important. That's why we will, and we have also used some technologies such as HTML5, CSS, JavaScript. Okay, these are the languages we have used, and we have used a database like Firebase auth and the PyScript. Okay, and we have also used libraries of JavaScript is chart.js, and we have work on the API, and also we have used the font such as with the we have application font also and the material icons. From this we have used the some font and the material images. So basic item we have used. While we are learning the some higher technology, we will come with the more better better features and everything. Thank you. Give me the feedback if possible. Okay. Thank you. Welcome.